So Tijuana, any side-eyed muppet with a bloody backpack and a pair of friggin' Birkenstocks is gonna go on about that donkey show, man. Listen, boys. No. The place I'm gonna take you, gentlemen. Listen to me now. It's still right, not.
We know what you're talking about.
No, you don't, Dave. You don't know what I'm talking about. Is it Dave? Look, Dave, listen to me now. You know what I'm talking about? You've had the kind of night. Lands you in the hospital trying to figure out what the Spanish word is for ass hamster, for goodness sake. I'm serious. Where's the bog? Is it down there, is it? Leave the door. Time to make a man key, gentlemen.
Listen, hamster del culo. Write it down. I'm serious. I'd steer clear of the head of the tree there, gents. I just lost an argument with some Kobe slavers.
Where's that giggle? I'm starting to feel my toes again here. Come on, now. Isn't that funny there?
Right.
I really thought that TJ was south of Vegas. So I might be wondering why we're heading toward the sun there, boy. Yeah, but what do I know? I'm just another shit-faced Irishman, am I not? Am I not just that? Who'd you wankers find me then?
Go to hell, abomination!
When will you Egypts learn, huh?